Okay, we are at the Palace Tower. These look like they are Otis and Lurk. Definitely gonna get copyrighted for the music. One came. This one. Alright, let's see. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Why does this always happen? No numbers? Guess we'll know where we are. Is that an Otis chime? Oh yeah, these are Otis. What the hell is this? And it, okay. Get a picture of that for Ethan. I bet that's... That phone placement sucks. Should probably Schindler mods. What's the point of watching the indicator? Chimes are original. These look a lot like the other tower elevators in this hotel. Like the Augustus Tower, which they're installed by a completely different company. In other words, Mitsubishi. These are Otis mod by Schindler. You got your Mad BS fixtures. Oh, there's... It only... Okay, it only shows a couple things. You're welcome. And I'm gonna get covered music, blah 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 blah, and that's it.